Microsoft on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart. Looking at this pullback, looking at the history of this chart, I found other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. Using my fib retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high, also provides a 618 retracement. On the hourly chart, price is also trading nicely above this 200 moving average on the hourly. On a 15-minute time frame, we do have a trigger to go long. What you can do here, not financial advice, when market opens, if this chart still demonstrating strength back to the upside, then consider positioning going long, but you still need to set your stop loss below this pivot low. Looking at fundamentals, 2022, 198 billion, 2023, 211 billion, 2024, 245 billion. We do have that increasing top line revenue and the company extremely profitable. This company also pays out dividends. For those of you who are interested in holding on to stock long term, collecting dividends, selling covered calls, this may be a great candidate for you. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups and cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.